As fourth students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your SST teacher, Mrs. Ramandeep Kaur. See, you have already done the topic, the story of our past and sources of prehistory and history. Today we will discussing next topic, calendar and timelines. First point is calendar and almanac. First of all, calendar. What do you mean by calendar? A calendar is a system used for recording date and time. A calendar divides the entire year into months. पहले ईयर को मंथ्स में महीनों में एंड ईच मंथ्स इनटू वीक्स, फिर मंथ्स महीनों को वीक्स सप्ताह में एंड डेज फिर आगे दिनों में बांटा गया है. Important events and festivals are marked on a calendar. Second point is almanac. What do you mean by almanac? Some calendar contain a great deal of information. They are called almanac. An almanac is a yearly calendar. Almanac क्या है? Yearly calendar that contains information about various subjects such as festivals, weather, time of sunrise and sunset, the best time to plant crops, changing phases of the moon. It is published in the form of a book. Next, now after getting the information of calendar, let us study calendar divided into two parts. First is Gregorian calendar, second is Saka calendar. First of all, study of Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is the most commonly used calendar system today. The calendar is based on the revolution of the earth around the sun. It is originally from Europe, where people were Christians. This calendar starts from the time of Christ's birth. This is the structure of Gregorian calendar. Let us find out how many months in Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar has 12 months. First, it starts with Jan and end with December. Children's, you understand the common years. The common years has 365 days and the leap year has 366 days. Children, do you know how designed the Gregorian calendar? Gregorian calendar designed by Pope Gregory in 13 October 1582. Second is Saka calendar. It believed that the Saka calendar was invented in ancient India sometime between 78 and 79 CE. It adopted as the national calendar. कहाँ से adopt किया गया है साका calendar? National calendar. कहाँ से adopt किया गया है? National calendar से of India on 22 March 1957 or 1 Chaitra 1879. Saka era. The Saka calendar has 12 months and 365 days. The first month in the Saka calendar is Chaitra. The first days of Chaitra start with 22 March. साका कैलेंडर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? 22 मार्च से. द साका कैलेंडर इज पार्टली बेस्ड ऑन द मून्स मूवमेंट अराउंड द अर्थ. डेट्स ऑफ इवेंट ऑन द साका कैलेंडर चेंज एवरी ईयर. जो डेट्स हैं वो साका कैलेंडर के ऊपर एवरी ईयर चेंज होती रहती हैं और जो ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर है वो डेट्स सेम रहती हैं. जैसे कि क्रिस्ट जीसू मसीह का जो बर्थ था वो 25 क्रिसमस थी, वो कब मनाई जाती है? 25 दिसंबर को. वो वही डेट को मनाई जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज ए स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ साका कैलेंडर. साका कैलेंडर हैज़ 12 months. It start with Chaitra and end with Fagun. Chaitra start 21 March to 22 April 20. It start mid 22 March. Next point is difference between the Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. First of all, Gregorian calendar and Saka calendar. The Gregorian calendar is based on the revolution of the earth around the sun. जो Gregorian calendar है वो sun, जैसे sun की पोजीशन चेंज होती है वैसे चेंज होता है. The Saka calendar is partly based on the moon's movement around the earth. Second point is the Gregorian calendar begins on Jan 1st. जो Gregorian calendar है वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? Jan 1st Jan से स्टार्ट होता है. And the Saka calendar begins on 22 March. Saka calendar कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? 22 March से. Third point is events on the Gregorian calendar usually remain fixed and occur on the same date every year. जो Gregorian calendar की dates है वो same रहती है. On the same date every year. This Christmas every year on 25th December. जो Christmas है वो 25th December को ही होती है. Dates of event on the Saka calendar change every year. और जो साका कैलेंडर की डेट्स हैं वो एवरी ईयर चेंज होती रहती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज डेट एंड टाइमलाइंस. प्री हिस्ट्री एंड हिस्ट्री कवर ए वेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम टू अरेंज इवेंट्स इन ए sequence. Each event has to have a date. In Gregorian calendar, historians used the birth Jews Christ as a point from which dates were counted. In history, the period before the birth of Christ was referred to as BC or before Christ. The period after that was known as AD or Anno Domini, a Latin term meaning in the year of our Lord, that can be graphically in the form of a timeline. A timeline is an important tool for studying history. It shows the dates of events in the order in which the events occurred. Timelines. What do you mean by timelines? Timelines is a line of dash arrow arranged in the correct order. Look at this given dates in the begin timelines in the correct order. First is 2019, 1999, 1960, 80, 1853, 1925. It write in correct order. First of all 1853, second is 1925, third is 1960, fourth is 1999, and last is 2019. This is the correct form. Timelines means is a line of dates arranged in the correct order. Today we will be discuss calendar and timelines and types of calendar, Gregorian calendar and Saka calendar. Today's topic is complete. Thank you. Have a nice day.